I've been in love with agriculture ever since I was a kid. I really didn't think I was going to go to college, but then I decided to because agriculture is a really big thing to go into. So I just loved how that's what makes the world go around. That's what helps people keep food on their tables and just helps people live their everyday life without having to think about it. I actually was thinking about going to Kirkwood because they have more animals. We just have in-person internships, and honestly, I appreciate that a lot more than farm around the college because you can meet more people and you have a job that you could probably lean on in the future. My goal is to build an agricultural Christian camp. I went to Montana at an agricultural Christian camp, so I helped teach the kids about agriculture and about welding and industrial stuff, and then the past 2 internships before that I just worked for a custom farming operation, and then I worked for a dairy farm. So we started going to livestock judging competitions, and we got to travel around the United States, so that helped me to get to know more of the students and for them to get to know me. And we went to PAS, which is like FFA for college students. So yeah, past 2 years I've been doing that, and it's been fun. Iowa Corn Association, they have a collegiate team, so that's in Des Moines, and we just work for advocacy for corn growers and help them raise their prices and help them to survive a little bit more. I would definitely recommend them to the Muscatine. It's a good environment and everybody's very happy. If you're struggling with something, they will help you out. So it's a well-rounded